is that we really appreciate each other as on-screen partner. I'd like to ask lang, I'd just like to piggyback on the title of the film. Isang daan ko lang para kay Luna. Unless if you were to give kind of flower to Ashley, what kind of flower is it and why?
Bigay mo na kanina.
I think I said it before, but I would give Ash, like I just gave her kanina, white rose talaga. Because for me, I think a white rose is the most beautiful flower talaga. It symbolizes...
Ito yung address.
Yeah.
Fertigation.
Ano yung address to kay Ashley na hindi siya part ng props. So, 100 ba to?
Direct wala sa script yun eh.
100?
Hindi 100. Pero, yeah, I would say white rose talaga. Kasi for me, a white rose has so much more meaning to it than just, like, halimbawa, a red rose, you know, it symbolizes like love and all. But I think the nice thing about a white rose is it's deeper than love. It also shows like purity and all. So I would say white rose.
Sorry, hindi mo lang matanggap. 100 daw yan. Sabi ng Vivo Films family natin.
Naman.
Yan, Andres picture.
Tapos Dead Destiny pa kasi white rose papaya.
Ayun.
Thank you. Siguro, direct bonus question na lang. Why do you think the characters in this film really fit both Andres and Ashley?
Well, kung alam yung backstory nitong project na to, nauna ko siya na-conceptualize na wala pa talagang actors in mind. Pero, nung pinitch ko siya sa Viva, si Andres na yung pinopropose ko nun, hindi pa siya nag-aartista talaga nun. Tapos, hindi binigay sa akin ng Viva kasi parang in the middle of going through workshops. Kumbaga parang pinapahinog ba nila si Andres. Tapos, so for about 2 or 3 years, nakashelve lang yung project. And then, finally, nagkaroon na sila ng kasagsagan ng mutya ng Section 8. Ni-revive namin yung project. Tapos, ganun din, nagustuhan ng dad niya, diba? Tapos, hinahanapan din ng Viva ng project yung Ashtress kasi yun nga, sensational sila yung reception ng mga tao sa kanila. So, bagay sa kanila kasi parang ang lapit sa personality nyo. Kasi si Andres, na nakikita ko, parang hindi naman siya introvert, pero hindi siya yung parang jock tayo na lalaki. Goofy siya on set, lagi siya nag-make faces sa camera at binibidyohan ko yun, i-release ko yun one day. Tapos si Ashley naman, she always struck me as someone na, alam mo yun, parang resilient, strong woman. Tapos ipapartner mo pa dun sa acting ability nila. Parang sa ganun ko nakikita na bumagay talaga sa kanilang character. Aside from bagay sa real personalities nila, they really know their craft. Nabanggit na ba natin sa mga tao na nagano talaga sila, workshops talaga sila na intensive under Sir J. Cruz for, 7 days, 5 days? Mga 8 days to really prepare for the role. Yun. So, dahil sabi ko, mixture of bagay sa match dun sa real personalities nila in real life at saka dun sa intense love nila for the craft.
And all that must be destiny.
If I may add as well na the first time na nakuha yung script, nung binasa ko talaga, from the very first page, I could not put it down talaga. Kasi parang na-imagine ko yung sarili ko sa mga lines ni Rafi at nakikita ko din yung pagkasalita ni Luna, kay Ash din minsan. And parang habang binabasa ko, mas lumalabas na yung emotions ko habang binabasa ko yung script for the first time. Pero I knew at that time na wow, ang galing yung direct mag-write, you know, and I had a feeling na, okay, this is the right project.
Since nagkasama na kayo sa Mutya, so kamusta naman yung first day of shooting nyo for Minamahal? Konting kwento. Kinabahan pa ba kayo or first day? Really memorable.
Siguro mas more kinakabahan para sa pagkapako sa character kasi nangangapapa ako sa character eh. Pero with Andres, parang sa kanya ako nakakuha ng assurance na oh, kaya mo yan. Yun, sa kanya ako nakuha yun.
Assurance.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. The first few days ng shooting namin it was not easy, pero nag-enjoy kami talaga. Yung mga first few sequences were, di ba, direct medyo mga mabigat na eksena.
Mabigat na namin.
Yung mga first 5 days ng shoot, it was all mga mabigat na eksena. So, syempre, kinabahan kami. But overall, since we enjoy what we're doing and we enjoy the craft of acting, we were able to get it done and do a good job, I hope.
And last question, paano kayo nakarelate sa mga characters niyo sa film? Paano kayo nakarelate? Medyo pareho sa mga characters. Hindi na.
Sa tingin ko kasi si Rafi, he's a very shy person. Don't want to say that he's introverted. Parang ako dati nung nasa high school ako, I was not super extroverted. I was medyo shy, tahimik lang talaga. Tapos parang, I don't want to spoil it. But yun nga, parang nung high school ako, I was a little bit shy, and as I started to work here in the industry, I started to learn more about myself and I guess bloom to who I am today. Bloom, flower, reference. And yun, I think it's very similar. Ako naman, I think it was very similar yung character ko ni Andres kay Rafi. At least in the idea na how nice he is and how thoughtful Rafi is, I think it applies to me as well.
Nash?
Po siguro sa akin, parehas kami na alam kung hanggang saan or kung hanggang kailan lang dapat yung mga bagay-bagay. Yung parang hindi namin pinipilit kung ano yung movie para sa amin.
Marami na kami nakitang love teams sa pagko-coverage namin sa showbiz. Ang kalaban usually, pag lalo na pag sikat, burnout. Paano nyo kaya malalabanan yun?
Yung pagod, yung burnout. Ako naman, ano kaya? Burnout, di ko pa masabi. Kasi I'm very new din. So, right na habang may energy pa ako, habang bata pa ako, I'm trying to really make the most. And I'm sure also Ash, diba? But, yeah, go.
Pero siguro kung darating man po yung panahon na yun, siguro iisipin namin kung bakit kami nagsimula, kung bakit namin gusto yung ginagawa namin. Kasi darating talaga yun parang minsan mapapagod ka, isipin mo kung tuloy pa ba ito, ganyan. Pero kung aalalahanin mo kung bakit mo gusto itong ginagawa mo, parang mababago yung mood mo, mababago parang ma-revive yung eagerness mo gawin ulit yung trabaho mo. Diba?
Next question.
Alam ko lang po, it helps din siguro, although it helps din siguro na they really like each other's company. So parang nag-lift up nila each other in spite of the stress. Diba? It helps kasi pag ganun, diba? So imagine mo na lang, halimbawa, hindi nila gusto yung isa't isa tapos nandito sila sa ganitong trabaho. Talaga mag-a-attitude sila. Pero yun, I think it's, aminin nyo, nakakabawas ng stress. You like being each other's company because you support each other.
Yun nga, if I may add na parang when I'm with Ash, halimbawa kapag nasa-stress ako sa mga eksena or mga trabaho namin, mas na-feel ko na, okay, kasama ko si Ash, so I can always, work with her and there's that dynamic or minsan kapag nasa-stress si Ash, tinutulong ko din siya in those times. And it's a team effort. We help each other,
Next question. In some level, minamahal nyo na ba ang isa't isa?
Pakinggan mo.
Yes, dear.
You know, I mean ko talaga, like, there is love talaga. Because we have this bond, you know, the amount of time that we've worked with each other and everything. We're really, really, really good friends. And there is that bond. And syempre naman because she's my friend, there is that love, you know. And I really appreciate Ashley for who she is. And definitely, I would say that she's helped me so much in my journey. Because kahit bago pa ako, she makes it easier for me to work in some of these sequences, you know. And yun, ikaw.
Ako, same po, syempre may love din. Kahit sino lang. Hindi, syempre, love namin si Derek. Totoo yun, kasi mas makakapag-work kayo ng maayos if love niyo yung isa't isa. And sobrang thankful talaga ako na ang kasama ko ngayon ay si Andres. Kasi sobrang mas magaan talaga, tulad na sabi ni Derek, mas magaan magtrabaho kapag trust mo or comfortable ka sa partner mo.
There we go, and I think that wraps up our Q&A session. Palakpakan naman natin lahat, pero I'd like to add lang, di ba kanina tinatanong nila, bakit tingin nyo minamahal kayo ng mga audience nyo from kids to teenagers to adults? Kasi feeling ko in a world full of pretentious people, where you can wear a mask, you never try. Sa lahat ng mga ginagawa nyo. And